अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट इशाल खान और आप देख रहे हैं लर्निंग ट्रिक्स। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको फ़िज़िक्स के पिछले 3 साल के पास्ट पेपर्स के बारे में बताऊंगी। ओके फ्रेंड्स, अब टाइम ज़ाया किए बगैर वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले फ़िज़िक्स चैप्टर नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एरर एंड अनसर्टेनिटी। नंबर 2, प्रिसियन। Number 3, dimension plus its importance. Number 4, define number pi and show 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Number 5, show that expression Vf is equal to Vi plus At is dimensionally correct where final velocity is velocity at time is equal to 0 and initial velocity is velocity at time. Question number 6. Define error, precision, accuracy in measurement. Question number 7. Explain several repetitive phenomena occurring naturally which could serve reasonable time standards. Number 8. Give drawbacks to use period of pendulum as time standard. Number 9. Show that famous Einstein's equation E is equal to mc square is dimensionally consistent. Number 9. What does word micro signify in word microwave oven? Now there is chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, question number 1. If one of rectangular components of vector is not 0, can its magnitude be 0? Number 2. Characteristics of vector and scalar product. Number 3. Conditions of equilibrium. Number 4. What is range of possible values of resultant of two vectors? Number 5. What is minimum number of unequal vectors to result into a null vector? Number 6. For two vectors of equal magnitude, is it possible to give resultant of magnitude equal to their individual magnitude? Number 7. Unit vector. Number 8. Define scalar and vector product. Write 2 examples and 4 characteristics of each. Question number 9. Explain how cranes are able to lift very heavy load without toppling. Number 10. Explain in detail whether for two vectors of equal magnitude is it possible to give resultant of magnitude equal to their individual magnitude? Justify it. Then there is chapter number 3. Find question number 1. Find angle of projection of projectile for which its maximum height and horizontal range are equal. Question number 2. Head-on collision. Number 3. Explain why do buses and heavy buses have large steering wheels. Number 4. Projectile motion. It is a long question. Number 5. Define impulse. How it is related to linear momentum. Number 6. Can velocity of body reverse direction when acceleration is constant? Number 7. Aeroplane while dropping a bomb when reaches exactly above target but missed it. Why? Number 8. Numerical number 8. Chapter number 4. A bucket is taken to bottom of well. Does bucket possesses any potential energy? Number 2. When an arrow is shot from its bow, it has kinetic energy. From where does it get kinetic energy? Number 3. Is kinetic energy a vector quantity? Number 4. A man drops a cut from a certain height. Sorry, it's not cut, it's cup. A man drops a cup from a certain height which breaks into pieces. What energy changes are involved? Question number 5. Difference between solar and wind energy. Number 6. Define absolute potential energy. Drive relation from center of earth, which is a long question. Number 7. Work energy principle. Then there is chapter number 5. Number 1. Difference between centripetal and centrifugal force. Question number 2. Relation between radian, revolution and degree. Number 3. Momentum of inertia. Number 4. Real and apparent weight. Number 5. Why is flywheel of an engine made heavy in rim? Number 6. Why is rifle barrel rifled? Number 7. Why is acceleration of body moving uniformly in circle directed towards center? Numericals are very important of chapter number 5. Then there is chapter number 6, factors of drag force. Number 2, ideal fluid. Number 3, Bernoulli's equation. Number 4, Torricelli's equation. Number 5, equation of continuity. These three questions are long questions. Then there is question number 6. When a fast moving train passes a man on platform at rest, he is likely to be drawn towards train. How does Bernoulli's equation explain it? Question number 7. A spherical body is dropped in two different fluids and its terminal velocity is found to be different. Why? Give its reason. Number 8. A liquid passed through a pipe and it was found that rate of influx was equal to rate of efflux. What information do you get about liquid? Then there is question number 9, simple harmonic motion. Question 10, circular motion and simple harmonic motion, which is a long question. Number 11, simple pendulum. It is also a long question. Question number 12, is there a connection between force and displacement in mass spring system? Question number 13, what happens to frequency of simple pendulum as its oscillations die down from large amplitude to small? Then there is question number 14, energy conservation in simple harmonic motion. Long question from last year 2019 paper. Then there is chapter number 8. Number 1, Laplace correction. Number 2, effect of sound on speed of sound in air. Number 3, Doppler's effect plus its application. It is also a long question. Question number 4, coherent sources plus two sources of light behave as coherent sources. Question number 7, stationary waves plus its generation and stationary wave in stretched spring. Explain these. Question number 8, crust troughs and nodes. Question number 9, why do sound travel faster in warm air than in cold air? Question number 10, organ pipe. Question number 11, conditions of constructive and destructive interference. Question number 10, why does sound travel faster in sounds than gases? Question number 11, Michelson's interferometer. Then there is chapter number 9. Question number 1, Huygens principle. It is a long question. Then question number 2, Young's double slit experiment. Then question number 3, a telephone pole. Clear shadow in light form a distant lap of car, but no such effect is noticed for sound from car horn. Why? Question number 4, internal energy. Question number 5, laws of thermodynamics. Question number 6, numerical problem 2. Question number 7, on removing valve, air escaping from cycle tube cool. Why? Question number 8, can a room be cooled by leaving door of electric refrigerator door? Okay friends, hope you will take all the screenshots of these chapters question answers. Okay, if you like the video then subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.